Right, 11 and 12, I'm given a description of of a sequence, and I'm asked to write the explicit formula. And also let's see, and the first four terms. So I'm going to be given a description. I've got to write the explicit formula and then also write the first four terms. So write the explicit formula and two things, the first four terms. So if I'm looking at this, it says that it's an arithmetic sequence. I've got in my mind what that formula looks like. It's got a common difference of 12. That's my value, D. And the first term is 8. So if I was just going to, write out any arithmetic sequence, A sub n equals the very first term, A sub 1, plus, it's always n minus 1, and then times that common difference, D. So I'm just going to plug in the values that I have, right? I know that the first term is 8, it says, and it says that the common difference is 12. Common difference of 12. So there it is. And now I'm going to go ahead and write the first four terms. Well, I know the first term is 8, and after that, when I add 12 to 8, I'm going to get the number 20. If I add 12 to that, then I'm at 32. And if I add 12 to that, I'm at the number 44. Right? Let's see, 44. 3 times 36, 37, 38, 39, 4. Yeah, it's exactly 44. So there we go. Number 12, it says exact same kind of setup, right? I have to write both the explicit formula and the first four terms. So there's two parts here, the formula and four terms. It's a geometric sequence. It has a common ratio, r equals 5, and it has a first term of 4. Right, the first term is 4. So let's write the explicit formula, and I should use g because that's what our textbook used. So g sub n, right? Any term in this sequence, any nth term in this sequence will equal the first term, right, which is 4 times 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. And let me put that in parentheses, n minus 1. So that is the explicit formula for this particular sequence, right? Um, and always, this is a sub, or this is g sub 1. It's the first term, and this is my common ratio r. Okay, so now let's go ahead and write down the first four terms of it. Well, the first term is 4. That's what they tell me. And the next term is going to be 4 times 5, so I go to 20. Then if I multiply that by 5, I'm at 100. And finally, the last term, when I multiply that by 5, I'm at 500. Look at that. I didn't even need a calculator.